Hi, this is Craig Harland, your AZ Empty Nester with My Home Group.
And Jeff Ohm with VIP Mortgage.
Jeff's one of my lender partners that helps my clients get into homes, and today we're going to talk about financing for veterans. So I think that you'll find some good information here if you're looking at the opportunities as a veteran to get into a home. So Jeff, VA loan is a loan that helps veterans get into homes after they've given service to our country, and I really appreciate that, appreciate their service. So tell us a little bit about what helps a veteran get into a VA loan.
Sure, absolutely. And I can't tell you how grateful I am to be able to help a veteran get into a home as well, especially for their sacrifice, for our country. The VA loan is a fantastic loan. So the VA loan it's a zero down loan. It's government backed. It's basically it's an insured loan.
So they really don't need a down payment in order to get into a
That's
VA loan.
correct.
Awesome.
So that's correct. So the VA, you can do 100% financing up to $417,000, and you can go higher than that, and they do have a jumbo VA loan as well.
Okay. So if that goes over that, they'll have to put a little money down.
Yep, but it's still the lowest jumbo down payment that's out on the market, especially with the lowest rates.
Right. So do they have to be a first-time home buyer as a VA?
No, you can use VA multiple times. So as a VA, the insurance or the upfront is 2.15% for a VA first time that they use their VA benefit.
Okay.
So they could have been a buyer that they used FHA or that they used conventional. And if you're VA disabled, there's actually no upfront fee. So it's 0%. So it's 100% loan with no upfront fee.
Wow, that's a great benefit. That's a great benefit. Well, I know that one of the things that I like to do is help veterans out with their closing costs, and I joined a program, Heroes Home Advantage, in order to do that, so I can take some of my earnings on the property that I make and provide it as a down payment assistance for the vet to help them with their closing costs. Because even though they have no down, they do have some closing costs.
There are closing costs associated with that, and that's fantastic. And VA rates are so strong right now that we're always in a position where we can offer a lender credit as well to help with closing costs. It's not uncommon for a veteran between the seller credit, your credit, and a lender credit to literally get into the house with zero money out of pocket.
Wow, it hardly makes any sense for them to continue renting nowadays then, with rents going up.
It makes no sense whatsoever, especially with how low the rates are. That's true.
So, what defines a veteran? How long do they have to serve? Is it a 20-year retired person?
No. If you're active duty, it's 6 months. So 180 days, 6 months, you're eligible for VA financing. And if you are a reservist, it's actually 6 years. So 6 years, you have to be a reservist. So it's a little bit different. I know a lot of people think they qualify after being 3 or 4 years as a reservist, and that's not the case.
It's still a great benefit.
It is
6
still,
years,
absolutely, it is still a great benefit. A couple other benefits for VA loans is they're very forgiving on if you had a past bankruptcy or if you had a foreclosure or a short sale. So you can be eligible for VA financing after 2 years for those events.
Great benefit in today's age when, unfortunately, a lot of us had some issues in the housing crunch. So
Correct.
with 2 years, a veteran can get back in and own their home again. That's
That
awesome.
is correct.
That's awesome to hear.
Yep.
So some great information on VA loans, but if you need more detail, give me a call or give Jeff a call, and I'll put you in touch with Jeff. This is Craig Harland with My Home Group, your AZ Empty Nester, and Jeff Ohm with VIP Mortgage.